We are at a pivotal moment in history. This is an unparalleled opportunity. The AI revolution is more transformative than the internet and social media combined. It represents a fundamental shift in how we accomplish tasks. The future of technology is in our hands, and I am here to demonstrate its potential. I am not a Silicon Valley executive. I am an enthusiast dedicated to showing how AI can transform your life, your business, and your world. Artificial intelligence is not just for tech giants, it is a tool for innovators like us. My goal is to make AI accessible, ignite your curiosity, and empower you to create a world where innovation benefits everyone. Currently, AI is redefining the landscape of opportunity, and investing in it has the potential to transform your future. Let us begin, because the time to act is now. Let's begin by discussing finances. You don't need a Wall Street fortune to participate in this opportunity. Investing in AI is accessible to everyone, regardless of financial background. This is about securing your future, one step at a time. Everyone's starting point is unique. Do you have a few $100s to invest? Consider purchasing shares in leading AI companies such as NVIDIA and Alphabet. These companies are at the forefront of developing the tools, chips, and infrastructure driving AI advancements. Not comfortable selecting individual stocks? That's perfectly fine. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, like ARK Innovation offer diversified exposure to the AI sector. By investing in ETFs, you are essentially betting on the entire sector. Have just $50 to invest? Platforms like Seed Invest allow you to directly support AI startups. It's akin to being an angel investor without the need for substantial capital. The key is thorough research. Identify opportunities that resonate with you and align with your beliefs. Establish a budget that suits your financial situation, even if it means saving $10 a week. Consistency is crucial. Remember compound growth? The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. This is not solely about financial gain, it's about contributing to the future we are collectively building. Every dollar invested is a step towards the world you envision. Let's focus on your professional development, your skills, your dedication, your future. AI is not an exclusive domain reserved for experts. These concepts are accessible, and you don't need an advanced degree to begin. For free and accessible resources, consider Google's AI Essentials course and Coursera's AI for Everyone. These courses simplify the basics, avoiding unnecessary jargon. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can learn. Ready to apply your knowledge? ChatGPT can assist with writing, Midjourney can enhance your design skills, and Code Academy can teach you Python programming. By dedicating just 10 hours a week or even less, you can acquire skills that are highly sought after by employers. These skills are not just beneficial, they are your competitive edge in the job market. They can lead to a raise, a promotion, or even the opportunity to start your own business. This is about empowerment. It's about taking control of your future and crafting your own success story. Chapter 3. Integrate AI, work smarter, not harder. Excelling in your career? Excellent. AI is poised to elevate your performance even further. We are discussing the concept of working smarter, not harder. Envision a scenario where mundane tasks are automated, allowing you to concentrate on strategic, creative endeavors that truly inspire you. Zapier is your new automation expert. It integrates all your applications and automates repetitive tasks efficiently. Eliminate tedious data entry and welcome more free time. Grammarly's AI will refine your emails and presentations, enhancing your communication. And Canva's Magic Studio? No need to hire expensive designers. This tool enables you to create professional-level graphics swiftly. The key is to identify one AI tool that integrates seamlessly into your workflow. Master it. Then explore additional tools. It's akin to building a team of AI assistants, all dedicated to enhancing your productivity. This approach maximizes your output and efficiency. It liberates your time and mental energy for what truly matters: your family, your passions, your side projects. AI is not replacing you, it is enhancing your capabilities. The future is not a distant concept, it is being constructed today, with every line of code, every investment, and every skill acquired. Your move? Select a path, purchase a share, acquire a new skill, refine a task, and take action today. Avoid overthinking, and do not wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Do not chase perfection. The future honors courage. It rewards those who take initiative, who are not afraid to experiment, and even to fail. This is not about achieving perfection, it is about taking that initial step, and then another one, thereafter. My mission is to empower visionaries like you, and I am fully committed. Every step you take contributes to a world where innovation benefits us all. What ignites your passion? Are you considering a tool, a stock, or a skill? Share it below. I would be delighted to support you. Let us embark on this journey and shape an AI-driven future together. Because the future of technology is ours to define, and the time is now.